SS396 Chevelle? Nah, not quite. Something that's catching on pretty much these days. 65 Chevy Wagon. Based on the Chevelle series. Big block. And a 2-speed power glide. And very wisely, because it's driven on the roads with the kids in it, a split braking system. Very good idea. This car comes from out west. Did you say Saskatchewan the car came from, Roy? Well, it's a Saskatchewan car. Can't see much of them right now, but a little bit of a teaser. More nice old cars. Something to suit everybody's tastes. And from this one, we can move on to our next adventure. Keep them going. Again, remember, they didn't start looking like this. And I've been rust-free and pretty straight, but it took a lot of shining, a lot of work, a lot of dedication to bring them back up to what they are right now. So there we have it. Chevrolet products of the 1960s.